is us. Prank calling people. I'm not saying a word. This is what we do when we get bored. What a retard. Faggot ass. When did Kathleen just say that? Oh yeah, I did on the bathroom. Catherine.
Douchebag.
Fat ass. Catherine. Fat ass. Catherine. Kathleen. Fat ass.
Yeah, this is what I was doing.
Did you hang up?
Yeah.
Oh, faggot. You should call him back.
I had an hide ID, right? I hope the guy. No, he called me back. But Catherine, what do you want? What?
You want me to actually talk to him and stuff? Because I'll talk to him.
Okay, don't.
I won't. You want me to say? I'm like, oh, I'm sorry. My daughter called your phone.
No, but who's this? Who's
Who is this? Why did you call me?
Do it.
This is Shanae. Okay, what do you want me to say? Hold up.
Why'd you call me?
That's not cool, man.
Why did you call me and hang
Whoop
up?
your cracker ass. Like, hello, is this the All People's Help chat line?
No, but
I'm really horny right now.
no, don't.
That'd be funny.
Why did you call me?
Alright.
Okay.
Video's still rolling, never stopped.
Oh well.
Let's just hope he doesn't check this out on YouTube.
Oh well.
Okay. I'm doing it.
Hello?
Why didn't you call me?
Why did I call you?
Yeah, I don't even know who this is. You don't even be calling my phone.
I didn't call you.
Yeah, you did. Okay, well then why is this number on my phone? Oh yeah, okay, whatever you don't know. Fuck you. You pussy. Calling back, you pussy.
You want to?
I don't care.
No, don't.
That's like pussy. No, I don't know. Like, whatever.
I didn't call you.
I'm putting this on MySpace. We're putting this on MySpace.
No, we're not.
Why not? He doesn't got one.
Yeah, he does.
Who doesn't?
Yes, he does.
Well, what's he gonna be doing on mine?
Who are you friends with?
Not anybody that's friends with him.
Okay.
And besides, my profile on private. Fat ass. Catherine. Fat ass. Catherine. Me! Fat ass. Me! Catherine. Fat ass. Alright.